Yo, yo. What up? Ooh, is that a pivot point? That's a juicy looking pivot point. Is that? Hold on a second. What do I see here? Oh, yeah. Who's there? Who's there? Bowser, Keegan Murphy, Vinny Lee, Marcin, Matt O'Rourke, V33, Chopsticks, Eric J, Tova, Leo, Jamila, Slick Rick, The Ruler, Honest Take, Rick. We got Slick Rick and we got Rick. We got Rick, and Slick Rick. McLovin. What's up, FPL? Baja, Marco, Kenny, Sebastian. What's going on? Hope you guys had a good trading day. Oh, man, what a nice little pullback this is. I wish I was fucking 40 points. God damn it. I'm missing it. Too busy dicking around. Too busy. Look at this. Right off the fucking pivot. Oh, my God. Is it going? We got the, whatchamacallit here. The previous day's high right here. Does it blow through it? We'll see. We will see. Who else is out here? Who else is here? What up, Smoke, a.k.a. Warrior, Raphael, K-Spec. Let's get a trade going, yeah. I'll take a trade when I'm good and ready, bruh. Sim 1. Oh, that's John. That's you, bro. Yeah, that shit is funny. I like the one with the Eminem, the guy looking like Eminem wearing the fish hat. Sebastian, hey, at least you got green, man. That's all that matters. Tim Morgan, A28, Elmi, Tova. You need a signal? I'm not the guy to get a signal from. I'm waiting for the punchline. I'm waiting for the punchline. Mister, I just created this account today, specifically for the stream. We're waiting for it. We're all waiting. Zone Trade, what up? What does my PA look like? Ian Connor, P. Shenanigan, Kevin Tobias. Oh, you were 3 ticks away. Oh, what? To the short side? Oh, you posted let me see this shit. Yo, that's fucking great. That's great, bro. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's funny shit. Coach HID in the place to be. King, what up, King Delay? Yo, they're watching you, Baja. They're watching you. AS, what's good? Marco. We got two Marcos in here. One with a C and one with a K. Mufasa, Yash, Steve 1. Oh, that's fucked up, bro. What did it go to 633.50? Are you fucking serious? You might still get it though. We just pulled back pretty hard after that little pop. What up, Zach? What, Bowser? What, the whole give me a signal? Yeah, you definitely I personally think that they're fucking with me, but you definitely don't want to copy my trades, that's for sure. You don't want to copy my trades and you don't want to fade my trades because you never know what you're going to get. Although I win more than I lose, but I'll show you guys what's going on with everything in a second. Let's look at gold. What's gold doing? Well, gold is probably done making any substantial move for the rest of the day. I love gold. I actually traded gold fucking good. Gold pissed me off. Josh, what up? Jay Jackson. Whoo! AS, you guys. Oh my God. Markel, Elaine G. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. We're gonna see. What can I show you first? What can I show you first? Here's my Fund the Futures account. This is where my funded account used to be. What's funny about that is I had $350. Trump to unveil more tariff relief on the trip to Michigan. What's funny about that account is, look, I had $350. I took a trade for $350. Of course, it went and hit my take profit after that, and I went against it. The usual bullshit. What's wrong with $350? I didn't have to trade anymore. So that's how my day started yesterday. Blowing this my funded futures account. You sure you want to follow me into trades? I still think you're fucking with me. So that's how my shit started. So I can show you that first. Let's see what's going on here. Oh my God. I think Trump just fucked your short, man. I think Trump just fucked you short. Everybody's shorts. Do we have earnings today? Any earnings today? Any notable earnings today? When the market closes? After 4 o'clock? Just curious. All right, what else could I show you? Bulenox. I did this during the whip stream. I was doing a whip stream last night because my son had soccer, and I took a short for $924. I didn't take my usual size either because I was worried about a quick pop because it was kind of ranging. It was in a Head and Shoulders. So I only ended up in 2. If I would have been in 3, it would have been like $1,300, but whatever. 924. I got 2 days in. I'm at 1,471 through 2 days. I just need 8 more days, guys. Sounds easy enough, right? Just 8 more days. I should be good to go. CTG, what up? Newts, what's good? Matty Matt, what up? Great Dane. Oh, that sucks, bro. Yeah, because it looked like it wanted to go down, and then this is the problem with today's market, with these markets lately. It looked everything indicated that it was going to go down, right? And then all of a sudden, Trump announces that he's going to fucking, take a little step back on tariffs or whatever. Some tariff related shit that was positive news, and the market just decides to go up. But it's still having trouble getting over this pivot point. Look, it keeps this candle's about to close. This is the last minute of this 15-minute candle. I'm curious where it closes and where the next one starts. Because if it closes like below this wick or maybe this wick, I can see it going back down. Konija, what up? You didn't miss anything yet. Mike G. Mike G. Wednesday and Thursday? What's today? Anything? All right, this candle's about to close. Look where it's going. Let's see. This is a 15-minute candle, by the way. Oh, this shit wants to go back down. Oh, man. It would have been great if it fucking stayed down there. Now it's kind of in the fucking middle. That's annoying. That really grinds my gears. I mean, this is kind of flagging right here. If you go from this fucking monster move that I missed because I was at fucking physical therapy, of course, we literally bounced right off of this pivot point. The bottom orb was right below it. And you had this fucking, I don't know, actually this fucking fractal was probably drawn. But what are we up from there? Yeah, we went up 200 plus points. So we could be flagging here. It looks like it's flagging. JK, Zach, Logan, Fran Yu. All right, let me show you the rest of my accounts. I was in the middle of activating those XFAs. Look, here they are, all three of them right here. You know what I'm going to do? We're going to put them together and fucking copy trade them. How about that? How about that? We got the leader and the follower. Man, a lot of Kanye's lyrics are kind of having different meanings now after the news. I still, honestly, man, call me a conspiracy theorist because I am one. I don't even think the same Kanye from when he was doing Sunday service. I don't even think that's the same guy. I think it's a completely different guy from when he was running for president and all that shit, when he was with Kim before that whole thing ended. I don't even think it's the same dude. I don't even think any new music that comes out from Kanye is anything that was recorded anytime recently. I think it's shit. I think that's a clone or he's fucking dead. And any music he's put out recently, like he did that whole thing with he did that whole collaboration with what's his face? Oh my God. I just think it's shit. I think they literally dug in the crates of all the shit he's ever recorded and just pulled out unreleased shit and put it together into an album. That's just me. I'm crazy though. I'm crazy like that. That's where my head is at. But anyway. What did he do that? Oh, with Ty Dolla $ign. He did that collaboration with Ty Dolla $ign. All of those songs sounded old as fuck. And it just sounded like Ty just fucking, sung over them. Like he was sent the fucking samples or whatever. That's what it sounds like to me. I could be wrong though. Vinny Lee. Oh, there's like 5 different versions of fucking Joe. JC Trades. You don't even look the same. I'm tripping. Yeah, maybe. King Penguin. Yeah, bro. Tova. Jim Blob, what up? Daddy Fafo. Is my finger ready for blasting? I got this shit tied up right now. It's kind of tied up. All right, let me show you the rest of my accounts. Enough fucking around here. So we did that. I showed you the My Fund the Future's non-existent account. I showed you bulenox. I'm waiting for an opportunity. I don't know what this wants to do. I'm not sure what this wants to do. So I don't want to just get in here. It's kind of ranging in this. It's ranging in what? 634. It's ranging in it's like a 50-point range. You know? The last thing I want to do is think it's going to go down and then I get caught for 50 fucking points the other way. Or think it's going to go up and then it decides it doesn't want to range anymore and it falls out of the range, like what might actually happen right here. But it might not happen. So I'm going to just wait. I'm going to be patient as I could be, being the degenerate I am. He changed after taking ayahuasca. Yo, all I know is fucking Aaron Rodgers takes a lot of ayahuasca, and he didn't come out and say that back when he was 12 years old he was giving his male cousin fellatio. Kevin, that a boy. You got it? Awesome, man. Super happy for you. You just got it. You bottom tick the NQ. Congratulations. Whoever controls everything, Tim. And define aliens. I don't even want to get into it, bro, because I could just go on these tangents. You know what I'm saying? Carlos, what's good? AS, we. Sven, what up? Yeah, if your head is bumping like how like Charlie Murphy's was after Rick James punched him in the head, in the forehead with that Unity ring, then you might want to sit out the rest of the day too and just hang out and just watch. Nathan Fuller, what up? If you violate the 30% drawdown rule, you can't trade your way out of a 30% drawdown rule violation with Apex. Just keep trading the account. The only way you could wipe that violation clean is by requesting and getting denied. That's the only way. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Donna. Jay Jackson. John, what up? Where is my cock small? I don't know. Maybe it's McLovin. Tell me I never got freaky with a cousin. No. Never got freaky. I don't even think I have any female cousins. I don't have any female cousins anyway. Not in my immediate family. John the Sooty. Sovereignty, what up? Coffee Buff. Consistency rule, you have to trade your way out of the consistency rule. Right? That won't clear out. That's on a, between payout. That's like, it's between payouts how that plays out. But if you request a payout, you have to, and you're going to get denied. You have to grow the account. Erkan, what up? Baja. Raphael. There he is. My cock small is here. There he is. You guys ask and he shows up. Look, see, this is why I didn't want to go short, but I didn't want to go long either. Look, it's already up 20 points. Is this what we're going to do for the rest of the fucking day? Erkan, you dated a second cousin without knowing it, Tova? Second cousin's kind of close, man. That's only one tier after first cousins. Sean, what up? Yo, that's very close. You didn't know it, though. You didn't know it. Jamila. All right, let me show you everything else why this shit is fucking doing nothing. All right. So after that happened, I wanted to get, so thanks to gold and me being an idiot, I blew this My Fund the Future's funded account. That, by the way, after 2 days, I had $1,103 and I found a way to fuck it up. Then I moved on to Apex. I was fucking pissed. So what did I do with Apex? I traded this. I traded gold with this one, 282, got it up 829. And I traded gold with these three, got them up 1,028. This one's on day 2. These are on day 4. These have 4 days in. I'm at 3,074 in profit after 4 days of trading. These I traded this morning. I activated them while I was streaming this morning and traded the open and fucking went on a wild ride. I can guarantee you one thing. If I get these to a payout, if I could get these to a payout request, I will be denied because I had definitely violated the 30% rule. So hopefully nobody at Apex is actually watching, but I definitely did at least 3 times, at least twice. But and the shit went down so fucking low in terms of drawdown. I traded this during the open. What a fucking dummy. But hey, I'm up 1275 after day 1. If I could hold on to the account that long, I'll just fucking work it to a payout the next time through. But I'm all fucking green. I'm not hiding any red accounts. I'm not playing that game where I was hiding all the fucking red fucking balloon evals yesterday. Everything's looking fucking fantastic in here. In between trading these 4 and activating these 4 and trading those, I traded this account right here. Look at this. This one was already over the max payout land. I just needed to get flip day in, so I did that. So I got day 7 in on 269. So day 7 is locked. I flipped successfully. And then this one is day 5. I needed 370 bucks to get to my max payout land. I got a little more than 370. I got 1,066. And I was probably down 800 to 1,000. Shit fucking worked in my favor. So I'm in max fucking payout land. I got 5 days in on 271 also. So at the very least, I will be requesting $4,000 from Apex this week. Tomorrow, after the market closes, I'll be requesting $2,000 on this one, on 269. And on Friday, after the market closes, I'll be requesting $2,000 on 271. I just got to get my 3 flip days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I'll request. We did it, Joe. That's 4 fucking G's. That makes up for all those 20 Apex fucking PAs I fucking bought and blew. More than makes up for it. And it'll be a great, if I could get approved, I don't see any reason why I won't. I didn't violate any rules trading these accounts. I'm just worried about the flips. Like, did I violate a rule on these fucking flips, like the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule? I don't like flipping. That's why I don't like flipping. I get fucking nervous. I'm paranoid because of fucking, Apex and their rules. So hopefully it won't be an issue. I did win the trades on the flip days, but hey, I'll be requesting $4,000 between Wednesday and Friday, and maybe I could get these. Maybe I could get these 3 to a payout, 277, 278, and 279. Look, we're just fucking ranging. We're just ranging. Yo, Jim Blob, accounts? Yeah. Lately, it's been like that. I blew a My Funded Futures funded account. But wait, there's more. Uncle Mo, what up? Just ain't right. You hide the fucking numbers. Coffee Buff, you want my bad? Let me hide the numbers. Here we go, guys. Oh, man. Hide it all. Stargazer Lily. Oh, Jim Blob. Yo, do you blow bubbles? Who's blowing bubbles in here? You guys blow bubbles? What up, Joker? Loading, what up? Do I have advice? Topstep's kind of on the easier side. Just got to wait for your spot. You just got to get $200 every day. 5 days of 200 or more. What up, Andy? What up, Nick T? You got approved already, Josh? Oh, man. Apex doesn't pay their traders. That a boy, Josh. Pound that confetti like roast beef for Josh. Getting approved overnight. Jim Blob. Oh, my God. Yeah, it's building up some pressure for the out. Yeah, something's going to happen. I bet fucking Trump's going to come on and be like, tariffs, China, and it's going to go boom, and then go boom. All right, so that's that. What up, John? OG Maximus, what's good? Just ain't right. Marcine, you guys are funny. What up, Nick Trades? Who else am I? Who else? Did I miss somebody? I feel like a bunch of people came in. Steven C, what up? Yeah, Steven C, all that shit. But then again, I'm not profitable overall. So, you know, it's a 10, you get 1099 like an independent contractor. So I treat this like a business. John Nasuti, yes, sir. Charlie OP, what up? Yeah, a lot of people switch to fucking micros in this market, and they're doing better. He didn't know until his kid was born with 7 fingers. Oh, man. Yeah, that, you guys are fucking funny. Cody Mullins, what up? What drawdown amount with 50K in Apex? Donna, 2,500. 50K, you get 2,500 of trailing drawdown. PK, what up? Like I said, what's up, Franny? Like I said, Corey, what's good? D-Walk, CyberPie. I think I said what's up to Ashley, but what's up, Ashley? He's not speaking till later. That motherfucker's going to come on and say something. There's more, though. I'm not done showing you everything. I'm not done showing you everything. You know what else I did? I activated 2 Take Profit Trader accounts. 2 funded Take Profit Trader accounts this morning before I hopped on the stream, my early morning stream. And guess what happened? Well, I blew one of them. And then the other one I took to a fucking payout, baby. Day 1 payouts, baby. We did it, Joe. $3,120. The other one should have fucking got there too, but I got caught up in some fucking pullback and I blew it because it was a 25K. Drawdown goes quick on the 25Ks. But hey, I'm going to be requesting $1,120 later tonight on day 1. Another one. That's my third. Is my third day one fucking payout from Take Profit Trader since last month. You love to see it. What a fucking day today was. The only fuck up really was, well, the other Take Profit Trader funded account and the My Fund the Futures one, which whatever. I'll get more. That was fucking fantastic. So we'll be requesting a payout later. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Casa Lisk, what up? Apex doesn't pay their traders. Yeah, could you imagine if Trump said that? Porn, what up? Yeah, literally, bro. Sideways for an hour and 45, almost 2 hours. Sideways for almost 2 hours. It looks like it's flat, bull flagging, but you never know. We'll see what happens. Needless to say, I won't be trading this account anymore. I did that early this morning, and I walked away, Jay. I walked away like a big boy. So that'll put me over 6,000 for the month in payouts, which is great because considering how much I fucked myself out of this month, that makes me feel a little bit better about things. And this is, man, my bad. I'm hiding the numbers again. Hold on. Let me put the numbers back out. And there we go. Nice job, Bowser. Bangers, what up? What is the split with My Fund the Futures? I'm not really sure. I think it's like 90-10. There's no split when you request from like a starter account. If you request 1,200 from a starter account, you get 1,200. Dilzik. Yeah, I'm ending the month with a payout. We still have tomorrow too. By the way, guys, while we wait for something to happen. By the way, Apex 80% off. Apex 80% off is ending tomorrow. 80% off Apex evals ending tomorrow. What up, Sean? Oh, yeah, here you go. Josh said, yo, PK, if you're above 10K in payouts, then the split is 90-10. I feel like I'm above 10K in payouts. I think I've gotten more than 10K, but I haven't gotten another payout since I pushed over that. I'm pretty sure I'm over. If I'm not over, I'm like right there. I did the math. 80% off Apex until the end of tomorrow. When you use the best code ZERODAYJay, let me drop my link in there. bulenox 91% off is ending tomorrow as well. 91% off bulenox, guys. Option 1. Do I have a course for sale? No. I'm writing a book called How to Guess Your Way to Habitual Payouts. $50Ks or bigger, 91% off. Ends through end of April. This ends tomorrow night as well. $15.75 for 50K bulenox accounts right now. When you use the best code ZERODAYJay. What? I used it at Walmart the other day, Olivier. What else is going on? Oh, I didn't forget. 30% off Take Profit Trader with no activation fee. Atolman, what up? I have not tried them. I got my hands full with everything I trade with. With everybody I trade with. I don't even know, they're kind of new. 30% off Take Profit Trader plus no activation fee. I don't know when that's ending, but when you use the best code, you could lock that deal in. You could have a funded account with Take Profit Trader. You could be all in with a funded Take Profit Trader account where you could get a day one payout and you could get paid every single day for as little as $105 because that's what the 25Ks cost right now. Johnny, yo, that whole shit I think is intentional. Great Dane. You think so? 40, maybe if they go to 40, they might get rid of the no activation fee. What else is going on? Oh, my funded futures. Couple things with my funded futures. Where is it? Let me take this fucking thing off. For starters, you could get 20% off eval resets right now. Any eval that you've had in the last 30 days that you blew, you could reset 20% off. What the fuck? 20% off eval resets until the end of the week. When you use the best code ZERODAYJay, you could get 5% off everything else. And on top of that, they got rid of the daily loss limit for starter accounts. The daily loss limit is gone until the end of May. You have from now until the end of May to trade starter accounts and not have to worry about a daily loss limit. And right now, if you have any blown starter accounts, you could get 20% off the resets, which will make them about, I don't know, depending on how much you paid, like $76, $75, $72. And you could buy one. You could get 5% off of them. You could get them for $92 when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. I got to drop that in here. This shit is not going anywhere. Maybe it's going to fall out. When is it going to fall out? I'm like literally waiting. This is awful. I was in physical therapy during all of this. I was in physical therapy. Thank God I traded everything except for these XFAs. I was in physical therapy during this entire move. Well, really, I left my house at like 8:40. So I missed all of this. And then I get home, I eat real quick, and then this is what we get. Here's the deal for my funded futures. I got that link in there. Whoops. I don't want to hear myself for sure. I like that deal. These are all good deals. The Apex and fucking my bulenox are ending tomorrow night. What up, Roger Adams, Perry Dollar, Swinging Candles, Bangers, South Tribe Trades. What's good? All right, let's get out of here. Let's go back to the fucking. Oh, look. Oh. We just fell out. We just fell out. It's hard to play this because you just never know. You never know. And the range was getting tighter. The range got really tight here. Also, trade days 40% off. Still, they've been 40% off for a while. They must be fucking hurting. 77 bucks, Don Aerobics. Thank you. Thank you for doing the math for me. I was just guesstimating. Best code. Nice job, Christopher. Great job. Best code, ZERODAYJay. Sean, like, yeah. Apparently, so did Kanye. Kanye's cousin. Best code, ZERODAYJay for Take Profit Trader, Apex, bulenox, My Funded Futures, and Trade Day is ZERODAYJay. If you want to support the channel. Sean, oops. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Stephen Cox, yes, sir. And look, it fell out. It fell out by just what? How many points? It fell out by like 5 points, and then it bounced right back into it. So, like, is it going to go all the way up here, or is it going to pull back and go lower? Like, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't really like this. It's hard to trade this type of shit unless you just don't give a fuck and you're going to take some lucky guesses or whatever. But yeah, super pumped about this. Fuck yeah. And now, look, I got the day one payout out of the way. Not that you have to push for that, but now, right, I'm going to request 1,120 bucks. They're going to take their fucking 20%. I'm going to get, or just not pay me 20% of it because they're not taking anything. It's not, you know what I mean? Because it's a sim-funded account. I'm going to get 896 bucks. And then once that goes into my wallet, I could trade again and just, I'll be literally right at the buffer. And I could just do it again. I could have a $500 day. I could have a $300 day. I could take one trade, make 400 bucks and say, I'm good. And then request again. And just, that's the best part about Take Profit Trader. You could keep fucking requesting. What are we doing here? This does look like it wants to fucking give it up. But man, I don't know. I don't know. Well, that's the 5. Let's see. Let's look in the hourly. I mean, we did. Look what we did. We came down almost to the fucking previous day's high and bounced off of it. But I don't know. This is the hourly. Here's the 4 hour. I don't know what's going to happen. You got the previous day's low. You got the upper the VWAP band. Right in the same spot. Let's see where a 618 would be on the fib. I'm going to draw a happy Fibonacci. Well, right there. The 618 would be literally, look at the 618. The 618 would literally be right at the VWAP. All right, we're dropping a little. Where's the VWAP? Well, you know what I'll do? I'll draw the 618 in here. There's the drop. I'll tell you where the VWAP is on here. I don't like drawing it on here because it just never works right. The VWAP is right here. Right here at like 553. Let's double check that. Yep, just about right there. That was a nice drop. Damn, that was a really nice drop. Oh, it bounced right off the fucking 200. Fuck, man. $58 to fucking 15. The VWAP is right here. Where this 618 is. Matty Matt. Micah, what up? Micah. Yeah, bro. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling into Benzo. Yeah. Yeah. Topstep doesn't pay their traders. That was the funniest shit I've ever seen. Yeah, Bowser, I'm not going to trade it. I'm not going to trade it. Nice job, Micah. Pound that confetti like roast beef for Micah. 3,000. Yeah. Two people said they didn't get paid out of fucking tens of thousands. And the one person who didn't was fucking gaming the system and violating their terms of service. Gregory Brown, what up? Yeah, new hour fuckery incoming. You got fucking Trump. Trump's going to fucking cause a shitstorm. Gary BB, what up? I'm just sitting here patiently waiting, like 50 Cent. And now, like, look, is this going to be the new fucking range now, this little area? This is annoying, man. That was the fucking move right there. That would have been enough for me to get my $200 day, and that's for sure. Oh, fuck, Micah. At least you got paid, though. At least you got paid before you went and did that. What up, Honest Take? VWAP QQQ, what up? What do I think of Funded Futures family? I don't think anything of them. No offense to them. I just know that that's the fucking prop firm that Danny Trades owned and still does. His dad bought him out of some shit, whatever. That whole fucking debacle, I'm not fucking with that. Too much baggage. And they're a newer firm. Newts. Yeah, maybe, bro. It really is unfortunate. If it's not that person, it's the person who's like, I'm gonna destroy you. I'm getting paid to fucking do this. I'm gonna destroy you. Someone's paying me. Okay, bro. Cool. Pine Tree, what up? Yeah, see, like, I mean, I don't know what to make of this shit yet. Yeah, the person that's always fucking in here fucking basically, creating accounts as my fucking family, people in my family's names. Seems that way. Maybe it's fucking Scott's. Scott's still mad at me for making that video about Fast Track. Who knows, man? It's fucking lame. Like, get over yourself. Imagine having that or they're just saying that. Imagine that being your job to create accounts, subscribe, wait 5 minutes just to be a fucking prick. Hotshot, what's good? Caleb, I think Hotshot's been here. My bad, but hello again. Caleb, what up, kid? Yeah, maybe he's making fun of me, Josh. Uncle Mo, what up? See, look. You see that? We're back in this fucking range now. We're at the 34. Hold on a sec. Hold up, though. Let me see something. Look, look at that. We bounced off the upper the VWAP band and the previous day's high. We're pretty much flagging at this point. Let's try something here. Oh, look at the midline right there. Fuck it. Oh, I didn't get filled. I got fucking rejected. You piece of shit. I got fucking rejected. That's a sign. Yeah, see, I almost went short there. $34 didn't hold. I don't know what's going to happen here. We're getting fucking. How much time is left before this? Oh, we got a minute. We got almost 2 minutes left before we hit that algo candle. Look at that shit go. We're up 40 points. Dildzik. I don't know. I asked before. I don't remember if anyone said anything. What up, Dez? To the moon. Yeah, you know what's annoying, Perry? Sometimes you have like this bias. You have like this fucking bias, and like you just can't, you can't pivot off of it because you're just so fucking set in that bias. And sometimes it fucking costs us accounts. I don't have any bias right now. Other than I just want to be patient and wait. Like 50 Cent. I mean, are we gonna break out of this flag? Oh, there it is. Oh, fuck. Fuck. That was kind of a nothing burger. That was the move? What was that? Fucking 10 points? We came to the top of the range and rejected so far. Who's got earnings? I'm sorry, guys. Can you post who's got earnings? What up, money? JC Trades. Yeah, you got what a fucking nothing burger. You got China fucking manufacturing PMI with China at 930. That should be crazy. I'm sure they're going to take digs at Trump too when they make their little fucking announcement. Starbucks? I don't think either one of those really do anything. Maybe Visa? Starbucks ain't going to move the fucking NQ. Yeah. Yeah, I figured that. I figured Visa might do something, but not fucking Starbucks. Bob Means, what up? I don't know. I don't know what to make of this. FTX earnings? Vince. Unless Greenland opens a Starbucks. Perry Dollar. Maybe. I mean, what a fucking bounce. 15 to 82. That was just like, I got none of that. We just went up 65 points plus. I literally got none of it. I'm just being fucking uber selective because these are funded accounts and I'm trying to trade 3 of them. Not trying. Whatever happens to this leader is going to happen to these 2 followers. So I don't want to fuck it up. Question. Yeah, of course, bro. ZERODAYJay. 80% off take profit. 80% off Apex until the end of the month. 91% off bulenox until the end of the month. 30% and no activation fee on Take Profit Trader. 40% off a trade day. 20% off of eval resets with my funded futures. And 5% off everything else with the best code ZERODAYJ. Those are the deals going right now. They're in the description. I also posted it earlier up in the chat. What are we doing here? This is fucking annoying. Western Sunset. Yeah, this is like the default colors of the Fibonacci on fucking Project SlipX. Normally I have it like this. It's all gold, like the golden shower pocket here. All right. Yo, the 54-minute candle's been pretty good lately, too. Pay attention to the 54-minute candle. See? The 54-minute candle was better than the 50-minute candle. You see, guys? Nice job, Carlos. Mitch. Yeah, the 54-minute candle is fucking great lately. Here's like the top of the range. Is this the high of day, too? Oh, shit. How much time we got left? Oh, my God. It's only like 20 points. How much time we got left? Oh, this is the high of day. We're going to make new highs? We got 10 seconds left. Up. It didn't go up. Hey, better to not get in than to lose, than to get in and lose. Just want to keep going down. This is fucking garbage price action. Yo, Jonathan Trentwell just got approved for 9,600 by Apex. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Am I? Oh my God! I thought about going long. Fuck me, man. Is this a relief bounce? I don't know if this trade's gonna work out. I don't know. Well, I'm in. I'm finally in a fucking trade. I'm gonna get stopped out. I already feel it. I already feel like I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna keep it tight. Fucking bullshit. Told you. I fucking told you. Oh, I got top tick. Let's see. Why am I trading these accounts during this time of day? I'm a fucking idiot. Well, let's see what happens. Keep going down. Get the fuck down there. No? Fuck me. I'm only in one. I don't know. I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling things right now. These are literally my first trades of the day since I woke up. Let's see what happens. All right. All right, let's lock in some gains. So fucking piece of shit. All right, I'm only down 75 now. Is it going to keep dropping? Probably. We'll see what happens. What up, Simon? Yeah, F4, what up? Arnie, what's good? Yeah, this is awful. Awful price action. Stock cars and bets. Yeah, Danny Sievers, I got 12 minutes to do something cool. Here's the 5-minute 21. I almost was at break even when it was down at the bottom of that candle, but yeah. I had a feeling that was going to happen. This is awful. This price action is garbage. Oh, where was my take profit? 575. I'll fucking be so pissed if it goes all the way down there. So fucking annoying. Oh, this shit's getting crazy. What time are those earnings? What time? Yo, never. You can never trust this shit. Kevin Tobias, they do. $148 for 50 Ks. It's the only account worth fucking with over at bulenox. Look at this candle. 30 points, but it literally fucking has wicks on either end of it. Like a fucking doji candle or whatever they call that shit. Alfred, yeah, major earnings. Ugh. This shit don't want to fucking do anything. Oh, no. Fuck me. I didn't want to do that. Yeah, now it's going to pump. I did not want to do that. You fucking cocksucker, man. I did not want to do that. That was a fucking mistake. Fucking cocksucker. Fuck me, man. Yeah, let's fuck around. Now we're going to fuck around and find out. Fucking bullshit. I did not want to go in short over there. Drop it! Oh, my deaf dog heard that. I guess he's not so deaf after all. Keep going. Dump it. Fuck, man. Come on, go lower. Lower. More. Keep going down. Get the fuck down there. Keep going. Keep fucking going. Get the fuck down there. Oh, $200 day lock time 3, motherfucker. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Hey. Hey, DeLeo, yo, we did it, Joe. Oh, man. Fafo hour, baby. 200, yo, Crankberry, $200 to make him holla. Yo, 311. You know what's weird? It's like, why is the fucking leader lower than the followers? Usually it's the other way around. I'll take it. Watch it come all the way down here. Oh. I'm good. What did I get taken out at? 645. It went down another 6 points. Let's see how much more it goes down. Ho, 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 ho. FX Cartel All Blues, what up? Lucky guess, right, guys? Lucky guess. Lucky guess. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, my God. I'll take it. I'll take it. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Where's Trevor LeConte? Oh, man, this shit's still going down. Where's the 618? Right here? Yo, this shit went down 10 fucking points from when I got out. I could have got another $400. But whatever. Whatevs. Oh, man. Cody. I would have a payout party and take profit trader, but it shows too much information. It shows information that you guys don't want to see. Like a picture of my pecker. D-Walk. Yeah, bro. Yo, that's awesome, Nick P. That's something I'm working on too. Getting multiple payouts. I've done it before, but I want to be more consistent at getting multiple payouts on the same account. You know what I mean? The same fucking account I got one payout on, I want to get 2 and 3 and 4. Case Soliman, what up? Playing games. You don't have to worry about me. I'm going to get locked out in 3 minutes. McLovin, what the McLovin's going all Kanye on me. Nah, Baja, they haven't done that promotion in a while. They used to have they run a promo at least once a year, maybe twice a year, where you could get 50% off Take Profit Trader Pro resets. But unless you had an account that you did that with, whenever that promo was going, you could use it on whatever funded account you blew, if you could remember which one it was. But there's no active code for it. It has to be in a promotion that they're running. Tim Morgan. It kind of bends. It's kind of like a magnet. It kind of bends wherever wherever its intended target is. Wherever its intended target is, it bends towards it. What are we talking about here? Wait, I'm wrong stream. That's for my OnlyFans. Yeah, they do. Yeah, Baja, they might. They do it. They do it from time to time. It's usually like 50% off like test accounts, and then 50% off. They call it like a 50 and 50 promotion. It'll be like 50% off test accounts and then 50% off pro resets. They'll give you up to 3. You could do it up to 3 times for the same account. You got unsubbed? How'd you get unsubbed? Fucking YouTube. YouTube's doing that shit, man. I could hide people and block people and shit like that, but or ban people from the channel, but I can't unsub somebody. Yeah, YouTube will do shit like that. Oh, thanks, King. Yeah. Be good, man. Yeah, you could do it, man. Just wait. Just be patient. Yeah, Crank, for real. I mean, I don't think I think I'm being like shadow banned right now. Like, what did I peak at today? To almost 300. I just feel like people aren't getting notified. A lot of people aren't getting notified. Yeah, we're having trouble getting below it. We're having trouble. This was yet we bounced over yesterday's high. I mean, that was a big move right there. We went up fucking 67 points and then came back almost. You know, if I was to draw a happy Fibonacci here, we came back to the end of the golden shower pocket. We came to 786, bounced again, came back down to the 786, and here we are, still in the golden pocket. Yeah. Yeah, if you talk too much, depending on what country you live in, too much dissent, they might just shut off your power for your whole fucking country. KNLV. Fresh Delgado, what up? You know what, Fresh Delgado? Sometimes it's not the size of the hammer, but how you throw it at the nail. You know what I mean? But yeah, Perry, this price action is awful. But I like the 150Ks. I'll trade some 150Ks again because you get the most drawdown. You get 4,500 drawdown. Maybe you need, just because of your trading style, that might be more conducive to your trading style. Oh, now we fucking uh-oh. Uh-oh. You know, it's very possible. I like the 150s. I like the 50s and the 25s a lot too now. I used to not like the 25s and the 50s as much when they had the daily loss limit. They used to have a daily loss limit, and if you hit that, you would lose the account. And the daily loss limit on the 25Ks was only 500, which was like nothing. What was the daily loss limit on the 50s? 1,000? Still also nothing. Or 1,100? I think it was like 1,100. 1,100 on the 50Ks. Like, I liked the 50Ks, but I didn't at the same time. But now that there's no daily loss limit at all, I love the 25Ks and the 50Ks. The 150s is still good too. I got a payout. I got payouts from 150s last month. So I did 50 and 150 last month payouts. So I mean, you know, I'm okay with it. You think there's any more juice left in the market? Asking for a friend. I feel like now that I don't have to, I mean, I can't trade these accounts anymore anyway because it's 10. It's after 10 after. So, doesn't mean I won't trade a bulenox account. Play some pass and smash. I just don't know if there's any juice in the market. I just don't know if there's any juice in the market right now. Is that Fat Joe, Christopher Branzol? That looks like Fat Joe. Pound that confetti like roast beef. Is that a brain in the trunk? Oh, man, I love AI. Adrian Lorenzo rolling in the benzo. Yo, is Adrian still here? There he is. Oh my God. Yo, if you guys aren't in the Discord, where the best community hangs out, here's the link to join the Discord. It's the best community on these prop firm streets. Green everywhere? Where's green everywhere? Who? Nice, Keith. Yeah, look at all this winning. So much fucking winning. So much fucking winning. Look at all this. Hey. Looks like Bowser locked in day one. What's this? The fuck is this? Damn, bro. Oh, it's Trade Sinker. Holy fuck. That's a good day. That's a good day. Oh, man. The best community on these prop firm streets. Hands fucking down. So much winning. So much winning. What are we doing here? Is anything going to happen? Did I drop the link? Yeah, there's the link. I got a lot of accounts. I got how many accounts? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 8 Apex accounts in Apex funded Apex accounts in Tradeovate. I got 2 more in wealth charts. So I got 10 funded Apex accounts. These 2 are locked for $2,000 payouts. Although I still have to request and get approved, but that's $4,000 right there. I got this funded Take Profit Trader account right here. I got a day one fucking payout, so I'm going to be requesting $1,120 there. Man, fucking May is starting off really fucking good. Let's just put it that way. And it's not even May yet. I got these 3 fucking funded, these 3 XFAs. I just got my first $200 day in with Topstep. And then I got a funded, bulenox account up $924 today. I have a lot of accounts. Ariel, what up? Yeah, this price action is kind of, what up, Coach Singh? Take Profit Trader, I think I just answered your question, bro. Trading for keeps, what up? Oh, nice, Goes Bear. Nice. What up, No? What up? Your Wi-Fi went out on the cell? That's annoying. Would I do an ad for a meme coin pump and dump 1 million, but I trash my reputation? Absolutely not. Nope. Because I think I'll end up losing money on the deal long term. What if I could grow my channel to the size of Patrick Weiland's? I'm sure you've seen the type of money he makes. Right? Forget about the trading. I'm only at 5,000 subscribers. Imagine my channel gets to 100. What about 10 million? It ain't worth it. You know how energy works? Jim Blob, I appreciate that, but you know what? You might not like the guy or whatever, What up, Tickle? You might not like the guy, but he's a great marketer. And he's a pretty good trader, too. He's a really good trader, but he's a great fucking marketer. I appreciate that, guys. I really do. Checks in the mail. I paid you guys to say that. Is this like a kind of like a Head and Shoulders, maybe? I don't know. I mean, even if he does, but he's really he probably does paid ads himself. He knows what he's doing. He built his channel to 380,000 subscribers. When he streams, he has 10, 20, 30 times as many people on his stream than when I do. He's obviously doing something right. Yeah, the energy matters, and that's how I feel about the whole meme coin shit. Gary, did she tell you it's not the size of your hammer, Gary? It's how you throw it at the nail. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to keep growing my shit. I mean, we're all on a journey. We're all on a journey. Dez. Micah. Well, it seems to have worked. That's the one thing you'll never see me lie about how my trading is. I am not the best trader. I'll joke around and say I'm the best trader in the prop firm streets, but all I can say is I'm getting better every day. Monica, 360. What up? Yeah, it's awful. Yeah, it's awful, bro. Dez. No, futures closes at 5 p.m. Dez, futures markets close at 5 p.m. CME, all that shit. I don't want to be the next Hawk Tua girl. That's right. Unless I'm spitting on the market to make it go back up, It's not the size of your bone, it's how you bury it, Matthew. Yep, exactly. Ace of Luck, what's good? Took 6 business days to get approved by Apex, but they pay their traders. Evan Cortez, let's see. Oh, Maximus. Hey, look at this guy. Oh, look at that account. I like the way that one's looking. Oh, shit, you passed. Hey. Oh, where's the Fonz? Hey. Oh, shit. Where is this, Evan Cortez? Where are you at? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What is that? 13,500 in one fucking payout, in one stream of payout request. Fuck yeah. Apex doesn't pay their traders. What's that? You know how many fucking tens of thousands of dollars got approved today? What up, Manuel? Sean doesn't want to. You don't want to see my hammer? What are you talking about? Yo, how many Apex doesn't pay their traders? You know what's crazy, Evan? Josh fucking Strategist requested last night, and he got approved this morning. Oh, Dane, what up? Yeah, you should. Yeah, you'll be able to do it. I believe in you, oh, Dane. You could get that shit done. Piece of cake, bro. Piece of cake. Fuck yeah, Evan, bro. I love it. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Oh, I got to type that in here. My favorite thing to fucking say and type. Never gets old for me. Boom. Boom. What are we doing here? Nothing. It's just creep. It's kind of slowly grinding up. If I got in at the very bottom here, I could have passed this fucking eval, but full port. What up, Michael Escorza? Nice drop playing game. Nice job playing games. I love it. I love it. Also gifted. Yeah, I know what happened to you because I've done it before. You lose a trade, then you're like, all right, I'll get it back real quick. Then you lose again, and you're like, all right, I'll get it back. And you just keep, no matter what you do, you can't do anything right. And before you know it, the fucking shit's gone. You're like, what the fuck? And you can't stop either. Is that what happened? Because that's what happens to me. That's what happened to me in the past. Micah Trades, did I full port that T Power for Trader 50K pro account with 6 minis? Absolutely, I did. I caught a great fucking move. We dumped in the morning. Watch, I'll show you where it was. Was it here? Where was it? Right here. We dumped. We dumped. What time was that? Right here. We dumped here. We went below the fucking pivot point and the bottom orb, and I took it long. I actually did it with a 25K too, but I got caught in I got caught in this little fucking where is it? I got caught in this little pullback was enough for me to couple of losing trades. I went through my drawdown, but then I entered with my 50K, got A10 there, and then I got 2370 on that trade. We did it, Joe. Will I full port tomorrow? You know, next time, whenever, so I'm going to request 1120. Hopefully they take the money out so I can trade it tomorrow. If not, no big deal. I'm not going to sweat it. Will I take the same type of risk now that I'm at the buffer? Now that I'll be at the buffer and all I have to do is just back over the buffer? Probably not. I probably won't. But yeah, that's exactly what I did. Yeah, Bowser, exactly. Fuck yeah, Newts. Fuck yeah, bro. Yeah, you're over the buffer. You take the money, you get paid, and then you could just do it again. Just make a couple of good trades or one really good trade, and you could just take money every fucking day. Isaac, you got you started at 1,600 today after 5 days. Should I take the max payout? If you're asking, you know the answer. What do you think I would say to that? This shit is still grinding up, man. What do you think I would say to that? Yo, Evan Cortez, do you flip? I flip. Manuel took 5 payouts this month. Fuck yeah, bro. Apex doesn't pay their traders. I'm flipping on these accounts. I got my second flip day in here. I swear to God, if Apex denies it for like inconsistent position sizing or something, I'm gonna be so fucking pissed. That's why I don't like to flip. I just don't like to fucking risk it. Now I'm gonna do the same with these. I got this to 4,800 in 5 days. So I got 3 flip days on this one too. I don't think they care. I think they could tell. I'm pretty sure they could tell the difference, right? Yes, Monica. Great day. Are you asking me if I'm scalping with minis or micros? You know the answer to that, Monica. You know I only trade minis unless I'm flipping. Isaac, take the fucking money, Isaac. Exactly, bro. So you'll be left with, so what? You'll be left with the only time I would trade micros with my funded futures is in this type of situation. So you're going to take you have 1,600. You're going to take 1,200 out. You're going to be left with $300 of drawdown, which actually isn't that bad. You'll have $300 of drawdown after getting money in your bank account. I would, maybe trade micros or wait for a good setup and try to catch it, try to build it back up. But you could, just build yourself a cushion back up. 300's enough to fucking build back up. You could build back better. Take that fucking money, bro, without a doubt. You flip 2 days? Yeah. You flip, I flip, we flip. Yeah, 3 days. I know about the 3 days. Like, my goal was to get My goal was to get these over max payout land as quickly as possible without violating the consistency rule, which I did. I did this I was in max payout land after 4 days with this account. And then I got my $50 on day 5. I got like $62. And then I flipped the next 2 days. And then this one I did, I was $372 away from max payout land on this account. And with 4 days in, and I did 1,066 on day 5. These accounts right here, 277, 278, and 279. These are 4 days in. These are 4 days in, and I'm at 3,074. This one's at 2 days in with 1,600. These aren't going to get approved the first time around. I violated the 30% rule like 2 or 3 times during the open. NVIDIA's dumping. Does that mean oh shit? I missed it. That would have been enough to pass. Fuck me. Yo, you see that, Adrian? Yo, is this you? Is this you? This guy, he looks like a cross between looks like a hybrid of like Eddie Murphy and fucking Richard Pryor. I don't know why. Maybe it's the hat. That's fucking great, man. Oh my God. Where's my VWAP? Oh shit. Yo, watch this. What a fucking drop. What a fucking drop. Here we go. Should I just short this all the way down to the VWAP, or I feel like I missed a short. What a fucking drop. Yeah, it's just a fucking eval though. But yeah, I bet people were like waiting for something like this to happen, and like look how long it took for that to happen. We're down fucking 60, 70 points. Oh, here we go. Come on, VWAP. Give me the VWAP. Come on, baby. Oh, don't bounce there. Don't bounce there. Do not come back up. Not yet. I got a piece so fucking bad. NVIDIA. Crazy. See, NVIDIA is fucking crazy. Yeah, I see that. I don't even need to look at NVIDIA. I'm just looking at the NQ. It's doing exactly the same thing. Oh, man. Come on. Look at where the 618 is. We're almost there. 618 is right here. This is the midline right here. I got a piece so fucking bad. Oh, it's going to go back down. You fuck. Damn. All right, let me know what happens. I got to pee. Oh, I didn't get filled? Are you fucking kidding me? Gotta be fucking kidding me. It bounced off the top of this fucking chop zone. SMCI down 17% after hours. Holy fuck. Keegan Pottis, yo. I held it as long as I could. What the fuck? Damn, man. It couldn't just come down 13 more points? You think it's done going down? Konija. Well, hey, they took the money out of the account, so that's all that matters. You will get paid. Fuck, man. I'm so fucking pissed. Trump is speaking in a few minutes too? Oh, great. It'll blow through this fucking VWAP. Monica, I would love for that to happen, but we bounce off the top of the zone for the most part, this area. Here, all this shit. Another one? Apex doesn't pay their traders. Oh, shit. SMCI is getting wrecked. Ukraine's fucking actor in chief preparing for talks with the U.S. on new Russia sanctions. Is that good news or bad news? Corey, what up? All right, let's take a peek at NVIDIA now. When do they have earnings? When does NVIDIA have earnings? Fuck, man. My throat is like dry as fuck. Down 2% in the aftermarket. Bounced off the top orb. Look at the top orb here. Wow, that's a big fucking range. But look at the top orb. Funny. Amazing. Oh, next month. Okay. Thank you. Fuck. That really grinds my gears. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte for me not getting into this trade. For me missing this fucking trade by 13 points. God damn it. Yassine, what up? Fucking A, man. Fucking Carlos. Oh my God. Who is Trevor LeConte? He's an OG. Always told everyone to smash the like button. When I first started streaming, would do it on my videos in the comments. So it just became a thing. You got to smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Wow, what's going on here? Look, it rejected right at the top of this fucking bullshit chop right here. Maybe I will get filled. This is better than Power Hour. This fucking shit, this price action is better than all of this bullshit. What up, 96? Yeah, market's about to close in 20 minutes. The price action right now has been better than the fucking whole Power Hour. God damn it, man. I really wish I would have got filled here. God damn it. All the fun, I think all the fun is over. But I wouldn't be surprised if it starts moving again. Oh, here we go. Yo, what up, Cube? Okay. That's not bad. I just don't like the wording of Elmi, bro. I've been there, bro. It's funny. I do that more times with bulenox than any other prop firm, and I think it's because it's fucking Are you trading on Project SlipX? I think it's because of SlipX. SlipX elicits the deepest degen in me. Is this going to go back up? I'm so fucking pissed, man. I just wanted to get filled down here. That just ain't right, man. I feel for you, Elmi. Yeah. Why are my orders so far out? Because we were dumping, and I thought we were going to come down to the VWAP, which also was a 618. But I don't think it's going to happen. Findy. What happened was we were dropping, and then we did a little bit of a bounce, a relief bounce, and I thought we were going to drop down more, and I had to take a piss. So I thought we were going to come down, and I was hoping to get filled while I was draining my main vein. But it didn't happen. Now, I don't even care if I get filled or not. There's not much left. There's not much juice left to squeeze. Uncle Mo. It just seems that way. Yeah, this shit, I don't know. I mean, there might be a little bit more in it, but I don't see enough. I don't think there's enough for it to go past a smash. I'm fucking annoyed I didn't get filled down here. Shout out to Uncle Mo, Mr. Mo Lester. Yeah, look, this shit's not even moving. It just like completely stopped. Playing games. Where'd you? Apex doesn't pay their traders. Just ain't right. You're good, bro. Didn't you just text right now? What are you at, a light in traffic or something? I'm so annoyed. Look at this shit going down. We're running out of time. Although it's down 19 points from that high. Hmm. Hmm. Texting and driving while trading. Perry Dollar. Do I have an anchored VWAP? No, I just use the regular the VWAP. But I for whatever reason it sucks in here. You have to like zoom out to get the correct spot where the VWAP is. So I know the VWAP is right here because I looked on another chart. See? It actually went up a little bit. It went up to the 60s, but the 618 is still in the same spot, which is right here. Right where the VWAP was until this shit fucking bounced and fucked it all up. You got the Apple Vision on your face? All over your face, huh? Nice job, KNLV. Get it done. Get her done. Yeah, this shit's dead. This shit is deader than dead. But hey, we did some good work on the stream. I got my first $200 day in on these brand new XFAs times 3. 1, 2, 3. We're fucking green everywhere, basically. All of these Apex accounts, these are 8 funded accounts looking fantastic. I got my flip day in. That's day 7. This is day 5 in the book. So now I could flip 3 days with this one. Max payout land on both of these. So it's 2,000 each. And then I got this fucking account right here to a payout on day 1. Take Profit Trader. Day 1 payouts, baby. So yeah, Pine Tree, you got to learn to walk away. Got to learn to walk away, Jay. What is this shit? Just a casual 20 point, 18 point bounce at fucking with the market closing in 5 minutes. Crankberry. Yeah, I don't advise it. I don't advise it. What up, Ralph? Summer S, thank you, thank you. JK, you want me to trade on the meta glasses? I don't own a pair of meta glasses. Hey, I'm about to get off, guys, in a couple of minutes. But when you leave, if you're gonna bounce, please smash the like button on your way out if you haven't yet, so we can have more. So more people will find the channel. Hopefully, it'll help more people find the channel. Yeah, Pine Tree. It's a good day, bro. It's a great day. I just, I've been there, bro. You had a killer day and then you fucking give some of it back at the end because you think you see something. At least you didn't fuck yourself completely. What a fucking look at that. What caused that to pop? That's 25 points. Could have been another pass right there. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to fucking trade anymore. So, thank you, Bowser. Thank you, Perry Dollar. Wow, unbelievable. Watch this shit come all the way up here. I'd be fucking wouldn't be surprised. Cassius Clay, what up? What's good? PSC Westy, what up? What's crack-a-lackin'? Damn. What the fuck is this? 30 points at fucking 455 or 452? What is this shit? This price action is better than fucking Power Hour was. Yo, this is what we did we did this literally 2 hours of nothing, of chop. And then we popped, we came back, we popped, we came back down, the market closed, and then we were grinding up, and all of a sudden, NVIDIA, something happened with NVIDIA or SMCI or whatever. NVIDIA took a hit too, but we dumped, and then now we're back up. How many fucking points? 50 fucking points. But right here, we moved what? 36 points with 4 minutes left in the market to close. It's still going up. I could have passed. Amazing. What up, Olisa? Hanging out with other streamers? Huh? Tony Gold, what up? Unbelievable, man. This fucking move. What is this shit? 3 more minutes left. Is it going to keep pushing? What just happened? Is there news? Is Trump talking? Wow, it's still going up. 42 fucking points. 42 points with 3 minutes left to go. Not even 3 minutes. There's almost 2 minutes left to go. Disciplined trader, yeah. I hear you, bro. Baja. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, nice job, bro. Nice fucking job. I'm so fucking pissed. I'm so fucking pissed. It bounced off the... I had the long right here. I was, I was right about the direction change. It didn't come down to my order, and I didn't chase. And I just watched this shit go up. How many fucking points? Almost 60 fucking points from the bottom, from this low here. What up, Holy Earth? What's good? Believe me, I'm dying over here, but it ain't worth it. I'm so fucking annoyed. And even here, I could have, first of all, it just bounced here for no reason. I guess it bounced off of this fucking support. I don't know. It just bounced 40 fucking points. 43 points for no reason. Amazing. It's crazy. It's crazy. Market's closed now. Well, I can't trade in bulenox anymore. It's about to close in 45 seconds. Brian Luna, what up? And thank you. Yeah, I'm going to bounce, guys. I got to make my update videos. And I want to go to the gym before I go. I want to go to the gym at some point today. But I'll be streaming later. I'll be on later at some point. I don't know exactly when. And then obviously tomorrow for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, 2 and through close. I'll be on. Remember, Apex 80% off and bulenox 91% off ends tomorrow night. If you want to grab some accounts before those sales end, use code ZERODAYJAY if you want to support the channel, in addition to already supporting the channel by being here. So I thank you guys. Confused, what up? And later. Thank you so much, guys. Smash the like button on your way out. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Really appreciate you guys for coming to hang out. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.